Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to lock any apps on iPhone. Finally, Apple has provided a built-in feature that can lock any apps on your iPhone using your Face ID, Touch ID or your iPhone passcode. All you have to do is long press on the app you want to lock. So let's take a Facebook for now. There you can see require Face ID option available there. Simply tap on it. Again, tap on the require Face ID and you will be authenticated with your Face ID. While opening, you will again be asked for a Face ID and you will be logged into your Facebook. Now, if you are using the any Touch ID or iPhone passcode option, then you can do same. It will ask for your iPhone passcode or Touch ID as an authentication. You'll have to provide it to them and you'll be logged into any app. You can repeat the same process with other apps as well. All you have to do is tap on the require Face ID option available and it will be done. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.